already booked a place in Mataram, and today is actually my checkout day, so I don't know what I'm gonna do if it's raining. I probably just have to go for it. It's gonna be fun. Seperti ini ya. Ya.
Siap, sampai jumpa lagi ya.
Semua.
Siap.
So I'm actually planning to meet this lady I know from Instagram because she ride a XSR155 as well. That's why we start talking, because I was asking about her real bracket here, but I ended up buying my own. But we actually talked, and I know she's from Lombok, so I contacted her and we will meet here. So we'll meet up here. I'm actually starving, and I've made a mistake going straight to Senaru, skipping the big city. And now I'm back here to make some friends and hang out with the locals. She even helped me to find a place to stay for a really good price.
Kayak rumah ya, kos-kosan ya?
Kosi.
Halo Bu.
Kalian di mana ya? Di belakang sana ya? Alright, so right now I'm in Mataram from Senaru. Mataram is, I think it's the big city of Lombok. And also I just want to say the girl that helping me, she's not actually from Lombok, she's actually from Bandung. I thought she's from Lombok, but yeah, we just find out she's just running a business in here. So, and she's the one look for this room for me with a very good price actually. It's a very good price. It's only cost like 250,000 rupiah. It's like I don't know, 20 bucks Australia probably, and it's 3 nights, so it's pretty good. There's a wardrobe as well. The bathroom is clean, that's all I need. It's clean, so it's good. It's not big, I don't need big bathroom anyway. And this place is just for sleep and to leave my luggage. And also the owner living in here, so it's gonna be good. It's safer for my stuff to leave it inside home. And yeah, I think this is it for today's video. Tonight I probably just go to see to meet her other friend, so we will talk about where we gotta go tomorrow and just to make some plan where we want to go tomorrow. So that's it for today, and thank you for watching, and I see you guys on the next one. Peace out.
Ha ha ha!